Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, this King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring you to attention. Fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have an unboxing of first impression, and this one is Zoopy's fault. He put a video out a few days ago and he said this is the strongest perfume ever existed. So when he said that, I couldn't resist and I went and bought one. This is from another Middle Eastern brand which is called My Perfume, and this is Oud Al Layl. Oud Al Layl by is edited Perfume and 100 ml, and is by My Perfume. As I said, this is another Middle Eastern brand, which by now many of you will know that Middle Eastern brand, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink when it comes to fragrances, in terms of the juice, presentation and everything else. For the money, you can't beat them. You know how they do it, I don't know. It's amazing. This one is under £15, and let's see how it goes. So quite a pretty box, nice box, but nothing to shout about. Does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Sorry about the noise. So this one came out 2021, and when Zoopy said this is the strongest perfume I ever smelled, that's it, I was sold. Anyway, so quite a nice box, but again quite, simple, but under £15. Alright, so this is the bottle. The bottle is quite nice. Wow, I can smell it already, even though I haven't sprayed it yet. So quite a nice bottle. It's got quite a classic feel to it, but overall it's not bad. It's plastic cap, and here we go. I have to be careful not to spray too much. Alright, that's enough. So, Oud Al Layl by My Perfume, first sniff, first impression, here we go. How do they do it exactly what Zoopy said? Mamma mia, this is strong, even though I put a half a spray and it's just filling the room. Okay, so first thing it hits me is the sweetness. So it's sweet, but where does the sweetness come from? It's not vanillic. It's sort of spicy as well. I don't need to put my nose, I can feel it everywhere. Yeah, it's both spicy, sweet, rose, definitely rosy. Yeah, super rosy actually. The rose is huge in here. Woo! This is a rose bomb. Okay, so it's big on the rose, very sweet, tiny underlying spiciness, quite woody. I can't get any oud in here. Obviously for this price point you don't expect natural ingredients or natural oud, but overall it smells quite good for what it is. For under £15, especially for first sniff, first impression, it is very good. Okay, so it is very unisex. Actually it leans a little bit feminine. Say if it's 50-50 is unisex, this is like 60% feminine, 40% masculine. But that doesn't mean anything in my world, If I like perfume, I wear it. If I don't wear it. And I advise this to people as well. I say, if you like a smell, wear it. If you don't like a smell, don't wear it. Doesn't matter who is it for, marketed towards, because this is all marketing. Smell, perfumes, smells, these things don't have a gender. Okay, gender is just man, woman in the animal kingdom, but in nature itself, especially when you go towards flowers, and you go towards greeneries and everything else, they don't have a sex. Okay, I smell this and it says this is female or male. No, It doesn't exist. So it smells good, and it is unisex. Anybody can wear it, any age can wear it. I would say it's a little bit on the mature side. I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side, because again, this is Middle Eastern, this is Oriental, it's very, very Oriental, so it is genre that young nose might not be understanding or attracted to, okay? Smells good. The blend is in a way that you cannot pick up one or two. It's very, very mashed together well, even though it's quite synthetic, but it doesn't, it's not overly synthetic, it's not a chemical, it's not putting you off, okay? It's not putting me off. But it's one of those fragrances that you smell before, or at least me, because I like Orientals. I have so many Orientals in my collection, and for me this is done before, smelled before. But for the money, under £15, what you expect? You know, you don't expect anything more than this, because it's good, smells good, smooth, very, very strong. I don't think you need more than one or two of this spray, because it's very loud. Even though I put half a spray, it's just filling the room. Yeah, so rose, yes. Underline woodiness, yes, but oud I don't smell that much. Big players are the rose, florals, sweet. I'm not sure is a vanilla in here, maybe vanillic. Sweetness, quite sweet, and between 0 to 10, 10 being the strongest sweetness, this is around 8, so it's quite sweet, it's very sweet. And underlying woodiness, and that's about muskiness. It's quite musky. Yes, very musky. These two are the biggest players, rose and the musk. These two are huge players at the moment. And also it's about underlying spiciness, underlying woodiness, and also a little bit of I'm getting something in the beginning, a little bit freshening up. Maybe there is a citrus as well, maybe bergamot, lemon. But right now, because the rose and the musk are so big, is covering everything. You cannot smell anything else almost. If you dig your nose, yes, but you know, not just on the surface, you cannot smell anything else. Wow, but it's strong. It's strong, and you need to be careful of the sprayer. As I said, this is definitely on a mature side. Definitely people who like Orientals. Definitely people who don't mind huge rose, or at least huge floral. The florals are huge in here, especially the rose. The rose is big. Rose in here, it reminds me of, it's not a jammy rose, but it's got a tinge of jamminess to it. And also, it's not a fresh rose, it's a sweet rose. There are many rose fragrance out there, and the reason is obvious, because not only they use and utilize different rose oils, but when they mix it with other notes and other accords, you will have different dimension to it. So with this one, it's a sweet rose, it's a tiny bit of jamminess to it. It's not fresh rose at all, and it's not dark, but it's not fresh either. So it's one of those in between roses that you almost is standard in Middle Eastern fragrances. It's one of those standard roses, like middle of the road rose. Okay, I like it. I like it very much. So performance on this is crazy. I put half a spray and it's massive. It's huge. This is how you should do fragrances as in terms of performance. Okay, it's it's so big, you know, you don't need more than one or two. More is more than enough, yeah, even maybe one spray. But right now I can't smell anything apart from this perfume. It's just overwhelmed my nose and my olfactory senses. Yeah, musk, rose musk, little bit of spiciness, woody aspects. But right now, this is all I'm getting, and also a little bit of citruses in the beginning. It's not a super complex fragrance. It's a little bit on the simple side, but again, for the price, you don't expect very complex fragrance. and you know, very high-end perfumery. This is a good perfumery, but it's not a very high-end perfumery. But it's good. It's good for going out. It's good for casual. It's good for is you know, easy going. Don't think this is good for work. You know, maybe one spray, yes, but anything more than that, you would definitely offend people, or at least they will run away from you. Very strong, but good so far. So far so good. I like it very much. I will let you know in the next video is development and longevity and things like that, but right now it's filling the room. It's huge, it's massive. Okay guys, thank you very much. Zupi, thank you for putting this on the map, and I'll see you later. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or any way, shape, valuable, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit those bell button. And if you want to buy one of my own fragrances, it's in the description. They are out of this world. The only thing is, you need to live in the United Kingdom to buy them. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.